Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be telling you about the Nykaa beauty box. This is the one. So Nykaa sale was going on and I got it for 1800. So I found that 14 to be precise 15 products for 1800 was pretty good. So I would like to show you what I got in this big box. Before we start that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet and hit the bell icon so that you can get regular notifications about the videos I post. So let's get going.
So these are all the products that came inside the box. So we'll check the products one by one. First we have here is the MCaffeine products. It came in this small little pouch. So this is the face wash, coffee face wash, and this is the scrubber. This is the coffee face mask. So this is a small version of the products, of course. So the face mask and face wash came in this cute little pouch. Next we have is the Ayurveda Rose Jasmine face cleanser. Now I'll tell you that I have used none of these products till now except Veet and the face's nail polish and the face wipe. Rest all are new for me. So next we have this one. It is the Ayurveda Rose Jasmine face cleanser. Next we have this Veet strips, ready to use instant waxing kit. There are 4 strips in this. Here we have this faces splash nail polish. Now only one complaint I have this with the company faces, that whenever they give a free sample or like 1+1 extra, they always send this saved. Like I have like innumerable of this bottle, so I would just like to request, send something else. We like to enjoy the faces nail polishes. I like faces nail polishes, but some other shade will be nicer. So next we have this Tulip Wipes. I think everyone has uses it and it's really good. So there is 20 wipes of this. It's really good to remove your makeup. Then we have this Bombay shaving company face razors. Now I use face razors and I have a video on how to shave using the face razor. I have a review of their razor, shaving foam and shaving balm products, so I'll put the link in the description box. You can check it out from there. Now I have used razors before, not of this company, so I like to use it. Next we have is this Mama Earth charcoal body wash. I just love body washes and I have ample of it. I would like to use it, the charcoal one, for deep cleansing. Next we have this is Nykaa Wonderlust Hawaiian Jasmine body scrub. Body scrubs are really good, mainly when you are about to shave. So let's see how it goes. Next we have this, the Mom's Company under eye cream. It's a natural age control. I really love the Biotics under eye cream and I have made a review before, so I like to give it a shot and let you all know if it worked. The next is Dharma Naturals Seaweed and Polyglutamic acid. It's a hydrating night mask, so I'll use it and I'll use it and let you know. The next one is the Olay Regenerist. I think this is also a night cream. I haven't really used Olay, but the bottle looks really premium. Then we have this Dot & Key. We have this Dot & Key Skincare Probiotics Light Gel for hydration. Now I really find the packaging of Dot & Key very cute, and when it is in this small box it is even more cute. But I haven't used it, so I like to use it and will let you know all. So the next one we have is by K Beauty. This is Katrina Kaif's range and it's a lip crayon. Now what I like about is this, the other lip crayons you have to just sharp when it just goes, but here due to this it works like a lipstick, that when it just ends you just rotate it and it will come out. I really like this thing about the lip crayon, and I really like the color. Next we have is this Nika lipstick. The shade is Bon Appetit Baby. So yeah, it's really cute. I'm wearing the Nika lipstick that came in the box. So I really think that this many products, around 15 products for 1800 rupee, was a good deal. So I'll put the link in the description box of this Nika beauty box. If you can grab it, just go for it. So that's it for today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And so that's it for today. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye bye.